Hey everybody, it's Bruce here, and I just wanted to show my HTML fundamentals students how they can use the Clark College Web Development Chrome extension, which you see here on the right side of my screen, to make your workflow for validating your HTML and your CSS on the Clark web server a little bit easier. So I'm on the practice page here, right? And I'm going to copy the URL to my clipboard. I'm then going to go to the extension right here, and I'm going to click on Validate HTML of Current Page, this button right here. And when you do that, it's going to automatically reroute and it's going to validate your page. And you can see here that I have an error, right? These are informational warnings about some future deprecation of self-closing tags in HTML. But as you can see here, right, I do have an error in my HTML. So I'm going to need to go and fix that, right? So I'm going to go back and paste in the URL of my page and just go back to the extension and click on the button Validate CSS of Current Page, and you'll see here that it does in fact validate. All right. So I hope this helps you out with your web development. And when you click on the buttons, it's going to validate the HTML of the page that you're on. Same thing with this button here. The links above are the actual HTML validation site, the validator site, as well as the CSS validator site. All right, so again, these buttons are to make your workflow work a little easier, so you don't have to go to the validator and then paste in your URL, for your HTML for the two validators. All right, so that's it. I got to go back and fix my HTML on this page. I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.